Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to color categorize an event for Microsoft Office 365 calendar on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365, can be for work, school or business. In the previous tutorial, I have demonstrated how to create an event for your calendar. You are more than welcome to watch that first before coming back to this tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the calendar. Let's now create a new event and add a title. Create a Word document. We can invite an attendee. Let's just save. Before we do that, the purpose of this tutorial is to categorize using color. Let's use the orange category. As you can see, we have now turned the color from what it was to orange. Let's click on save. And there we go. We have now color categorized an event within calendar using the color orange. You may want to do this for a particular reason. Group events together, and then we are then able to differentiate between what event belongs to what day or maybe a group. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.